Good day to you. Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection once again. During this coronavirus, COVID-19 is everywhere in the world. We hope that you stay safe and stay at home. Okay. Today we'll talk about this Eachine QX65. Will be unboxing review. Okay. So this is a QX65. It's a 65mm TinyWhoop. And it's been using SP Racing F3 board with a VTX 5.8G with OSD. Okay, and this for this version is standard version. Okay, with the Flysky receiver. Okay, standard version means it comes with 3 battery. Basic version comes with 1 battery only. Okay, so this is the box, and we have extra props, and this is the props opener, and also extra screw for the quad. Okay, this is the LiPo battery. It's Li LiPo high voltage 4.35 volt battery. Okay, comes with 3 battery. One. Okay, so this is the quad, 65mm quad. The wheelbase 65mm. Okay, looks good. With 615 motor, brush motor. Okay, camera looks nice. Comes with a screwdriver and comes with a USB charger. Okay, this charger you can have 2 type of port. It's a PH2 and MX if I'm not mistaken, but you only can charge 1 at the moment. And this is a switch for you to choose whether to charge LiPo or LiPo high voltage. Okay, you plug into your power bank or your computer and can plug and charge your battery right away. Okay. And we have a copy of the manual. Okay, it's in photostat version. Photocopy version, black and white. Okay, for this Flysky, it gives you the information instruction how to bind with your Flysky i6 remote. Okay, let's try out the FPV. I'm using my Hawkeye Little Pilot 5 for the FPV testing. So here we are. We'll plug a battery and try power up just to find out how clear is the camera. Okay. Oh, nice. Let's scan through. Okay. It's very light. Light green. Okay, there you are. Yes, it's very, very clear. It's very clear. Let's try turn off the light. Nice. And it comes with OSD. Let me turn on the light, please. Comes with OSD, as you can see. Show this arm, and then the voltage of the battery, time flight, and in flight mode. Okay, and this the QX65. Very nice. Okay, let's try bind with the Flysky i6 controller. Okay, let's bind with the I got here FS Flysky i6 6-channel remote. Let's try to bind. Okay, now first we gonna make a new profile. So let's say make it okay. Profile 3. Yes. Let's say profile 3, because I remember I have one for profile 1 and profile 2 already. So let's say this is a profile 3. So okay, there you are, profile 3. Okay, so let's try bind. So first okay, this is the battery. If you can see underneath, there is a bind button just right there. It's inside the board. Actually, you can see actually one small button. Okay, what I'm trying to do is just to press the button and power up with the battery, and then it will turn into binding mode. Okay, let's try again. While holding the bind button, and you push the battery in. Okay, so it's blinking. So now what we do is, while holding the bind button and power up, then the LED will stop blinking fast and blinking slow, which means it's binding already. So now we turn off the quad and turn off. Now we switch on the remote and we plug our battery. Okay, so LED is permanent on, so which means it's bind. Okay, so the quad is binded already. So let's try. We have to, from here, you have to yes, change your arming mode. Okay, so go to setup and then auxiliary channel, change this to switch A and switch C, then press cancel. There you are. So now we can try. Yeah, okay, it's binding ready. So this is the fly mode. Okay, this is the fly mode. Okay, so we can check it out from here also. Okay, so it's arm, and you can see now it's acro mode and stabilize mode and A mode. Okay, so as you can see here, when we change, this is acro mode and stable and acro mode. Okay, so arming will be this switch A and can throttle. Okay, we'll try the maiden flight later after this.